Florida law requires sellers to disclose known material defects that are not readily observable to a buyer and that negatively impact the value of the property. Example of things that sellers need to disclose are things like termite, wood rot, water damage, and structure issues. But what about loud noises? What if the seller's property is close enough to an airport that you can hear loud noises overhead as planes land? Sellers should generally always disclose any defects that they know about, including loud noises. If you're questioning whether you should disclose something as a seller, then you probably should disclose it. If there are train tracks or an airport nearby that aren't visible from the property, then the seller should disclose those sorts of issues if they cause noise problems. If noise is bad enough to be an issue to be concerned about, then it should be disclosed to prospective buyers.